Hi, it's Rori Montali, and the pathway is intimacy of love. We will learn today that the intimacy of love is the emotional love of the relationship. It is the emotional part of it, not the physical. We will learn that intimacy of love is the root of all healing, and then go into so many different ways of loving deeply and knowing how to find it today. That's the beauty of this. So we're going to take a step back, visualize something of a formula, how simple love is. Love requires you to just fully show up as you and just be. The formula for love for you and then another person to come together is two capable hearts that both desire unconditional love. That's all the requirement is to stay potent, to stay really in that amazing field of love. And when you get that, then you can move into a space where you know that you're in a relationship, right? Emotionally, where you're not feeling physical all the time. It feels like someone's not touching you, but you can feel. And that's the charge of love, is the feeling. So unconditional love, right, is that feeling where you are not expecting or need anything from someone else. You're just completely content, right? And you're not at all not paying attention to yourself and paying attention to the person. You're fully present, you fully surrendered, and you're not at all, ready for this one, in appearance. You're not, love is not about appearance. It is absolutely not at all about success. Love is a feeling. It's emotional. Emotional love is a biological response. It's like hormones, for instance. They release out of the glands and then they swim through the bloodstream, right? All of a sudden, it's flowing, it's going, it's moving, all of the chemicals. What chemicals? Well, oxytocin, right? It's going through the bloodstream. Testosterone, estrogen, and it's flowing to all the blood flow, right, to the receptors. And it's releasing the chemicals of this happy place, this happy feel good. Even just talking about love brings chemical release. It's that brilliant that our bodies have created this. So we come to this place where we know it's the root of all healing by loving. It takes away your pain. It takes away all your anxiety, confusion. It brings success. Do you believe it? It brings it a better looking. You just feel so good when you feel love, right? It's an absolute guarantee. But there's a hard part to this because love is a complete mystery. It's like, what? And you're like, oh my God, it's so hard to love, right? It's like the most difficult thing is to love, right? But it's so worth it, right? Like it is guaranteed worth, regardless of the mystery and how hard, it's guaranteed to feel love, right? So like it's worth it. So in this space, I want you guys to create a desire in your heart to claim unconditional love and see how it shows up in your relationships, in your new relationships, your current relationships, in your workplace, in a place of creating, just being with self. It is the magic pill. You be yourself, and then you just have a desire in your heart to absolutely love unconditionally. And you see the magic that comes around if you just stay close to that and not always look for the physical. Be in the mystery. Know it's hard, but you know the outcome is rewarding and it's guaranteed to happen because you have to feel it. We all have been born to love. So we're gonna click here and we're gonna go into exercises that will keep keep expanding and more, so that when that relationship shows up, you're already prepared and nourished into love. The love train is here.